Our resultant here is equal to 50 Newton. We are looking at this. That is how to find the resultant. Can you see our vertical component? Can you see our horizontal component? Bringing them together by addition of their square is giving us resultant. That is for the solution number 1. Now let's quickly look at the solution number 2. Then what is this one is all about? A rope pulls a box with a tension of 80 Newton at angle of 60 degrees above the horizontal. Find the resultant between the rope and the floor. Remember that I don't know whether you used to do it, that a máa ń ṣeré yẹn, wàá so okùn mọ́ páálí. Bó ṣe ń wọ́ páálí yẹn lẹ̀ tó gbé sókè, ẹsẹ̀ méjì ọkàn máa wà ńlẹ̀, ìkan máa gbẹnu sókè. Therefore, ọmọ kan máa fọ́ọ̀mù angle kan bẹ̀, the solution. Wọ́n máa fọ́ọ̀mù angle kan bẹ̀, angle tí wọ́n fọ́ọ̀mù yẹn, òun ló máa fọ́ọ̀mù triangle that you need here, such as this way. It will form something like this. And at the end of the day, don't forget that the third thing is making an angle to the what? Horizontal. That is how it's going to be. Let's assume that here is the what? Here is the box. And the rope will take this way. When the rope is taking this way, it forms this angle like that. That is 60 degrees. And we have a tension of 80 degrees. Tension of 80 degrees. Let me assume the tension here as 80 Newton. And don't forget, the same step you use here is what you are going to use here, because you are still going to have another thing here. Then you start from the what? Your vertical component. What is the vertical component? Is going to be a what? T, Y, which is your tension in the vertical, will be T sine theta. Then what is T sine theta? We have 80 multiplied by sine 60 degrees. Don't forget that your sine 60 degrees is the same thing as cos 30. Sine 60 degrees is the same thing as cos 30. And what do you call cos 30 here? That is going to be 80 times root 3 all over 2. To be giving you 40, and this is 40 root 3 Newton. You have it like that. Then you should go back to the what? Your Ts. What is Ts now? It is horizontal component. And our horizontal component, it is T cos theta, which is going to be 80 cos 60 degrees. Don't forget that your cos 60 degrees is the same thing as sine 30. And at the end of the day, you have 80 multiplied by 1 over 2. You can press your calculator and you should be able to get this. Therefore, this one is going to give us 40 Newton for our, it's going to give us 40 Newton for our horizontal component, while this is giving us as what? As our vertical component. The next thing to do is to look for the what? Our resultant. The resultant between the rope and the floor is going to be Tx squared plus Ty squared. Then what is our Ts squared? Ts squared is what? 40. We have 40 squared plus, then we have our what? We have this to be 40 with what? With 3. Then we have it in that way. Don't forget the square. The same thing that happened the other way round. This is going to be 1600, which is 1600 plus this is also 1600 times 3. Don't forget the way we did here, it is what is going to be happen. You know, you are squaring the both sides now. And this one is going to be giving us R equals to 1600 plus, then we add this one to be equal to 18, and this is 4. Yes, that is 4800. Then we add it together, our R equals to, because when you square the both, then you have something like that here. We have 4, 8, we have 6 to be equal to 14, we need that one 5, that is 6400. We have 6,400, because this is 1,600, 4,800. When you add it together, you are going to have something called 6,400. Then you can split it into 2. Square root of 64 times square root of 100 according to the law of sod. And this is 8 multiplied by 10. And at the end of the day, your resultant is equal to 80 Newton. Our resultant for this is going to be 18 Newton. And this is the solution. to the problem given to us as a grade 1 example of a resolution of a vector. I think with these things that you can see on this chalkboard, you can be able to understand what we call the resolution of a vector. And there is, my dearest brothers, as you are watching this video, I pray that the Lord will disseminate His own wisdom on each and every one of us brain. Thank you so much for being listening to this. May God bless you. Don't forget, share, love, like, and subscribe. More blessing.